Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is June the 14th on a Wednesday, and boy, the market continues to be what I think or call overextended. We are seeing a little bit of gap up today in the spice, nothing anything significant, and I think the Qs are basically flat. It's a market where I'm usually looking to thin out and sell some of my positions that I've had over the last few weeks, but we'll still look for some opportunity here, but just keep in mind the backdrop of the market because we are overextended. This AM has been setting up pretty well here. You can see it above all its moving averages. It was on the list a couple of times over here, failed, but now it's reestablished its positioning over those moving averages and may look. I would look for a break of that 3-day high, but keep it tight if it doesn't go through. PPG, another one, nice setup there, big gap up, move sideways, had a push, but maintaining. You got the 10 period moving average crossing over these other averages. So keep an eye on that PPG. Let's see here. FORM, nice setup. Sold off yesterday, bounced right off these moving averages. Looking nice there in FORM. And let's see here. HQY is another one. This was a gap up on earnings, and look at here, we're holding that 200-day. This one may want to wait till this 10-period moving average creeps up, but nonetheless, that is a very powerful chart there in HQY. And PGNY, did I talk about this one yet? Let's see here. Two bottoming tails right below the 10-period moving average. It is gapping up today, so nothing I want to chase in this market, but keep an eye once again on that PGNY. All right, guys, that's it for today. Be careful, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.